We represent some of the most incredible brands in the industry: Ducati, BMW, Triumph, Aprilia, Moto Guzzi, Gas, Vespa, Piaggio, Speed UTV, and Stark Future.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
Every customer that walks in here always has a smile on their face.
Premium European building design visually kind of states what we're all about.
Everyone wants to be here.
I want customers to feel welcome, excited. I want this to be a fun experience. That's what it is. That's why we're here.
They've created a destination where you're cared for through your buying process and most importantly through your ownership experience.
We don't want you just walking out here with a bike. We also want you protected. We have the service team behind you.
We really want to work hard to avoid that intimidation factor.
Every step of the way, as someone who cares about the consumer, their guest, you are a guest when you walk in this dealership.
We will spend the time with you to explain. I want customers to come into the shop and feel like it's their shop.
Just in the short 2 years, 2.5 years, we've built a community. It's more than just a motorcycle dealer at this point.
We share the same type of drive, motivation, enjoyment that the customers do.
Nobody has to own a motorcycle. No one has to ride a motorcycle. It's a choice. And I think that's what bands us all together.